Welcome dance with me doing the Batty Bat.